Welcome. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to double your leads and sales in 3 simple steps. You're watching this training because your business isn't growing. Your revenue is decreasing or stagnant. You're spending money on ads, but they're not generating a real return. And you're posting a ton of content across all the social media, spending hours a day doing that, but they're not generating sales. You're getting lots of followers and views, but they're not generating sales. Or worst, you're relying on referrals and word of mouth, but that's inconsistent and unreliable. So to solve that, I'm going to show you my 3-step process to double your leads and sales. They are: 1, crafting irresistible offers; 2, building a funnel that works 24/7; and 3, running Facebook and Instagram ads with a follow-up strategy. Let's dive into them. Step number 1, crafting irresistible offers. You need an irresistible offer to double your leads and sales. This is an offer that speaks directly to your ideal client's needs. It is to sell one product and is to solve one big pain point for the new customer. And this is just to bring in new customers so that you have a flood of new leads every single day entering into your business so that you can consistently grow your business month after month. This is what that solves. An irresistible offer so good, the customer or lead would be foolish to pass this up. This isn't your regular pricing. This isn't trying to sell one thing to many different people. It's one offer that speaks to one pain point, that speaks to one ideal customer, and it's an offer so good that they can't pass it up. This is where most businesses make the mistake. They only have one product at one price tier and just trying to sell that as many times as possible. In today's digital marketing world, you need to build what's called a value ladder. This is what I call the stairway of trust. You need a lead magnet. Is something of value in exchange for their contact information. That contact information, name, phone number, and email, is important for you to follow up within the next day, 3 months to 6 months, so that you can follow up and close the sale. 80% of your sales are done in the follow-up. That's why it's very important to build a value ladder where you have at least a lead magnet, a low ticket, mid ticket, and a high ticket offer. This is going to give you more capital to spend on your ads so that you can outspend your competition and acquire more customers or leads to fill your business than your competitors. Let's take a look of an irresistible offer. Notice on this landing page, there's only one product, one price point, and one transformation. You're saying, discover how to read 300% faster and more effective in 21 days. There's a transformation, there's a result in some specific time period, and this is a mid-ticket offer. Low ticket is usually $47 and under. Mid-ticket is usually $197 to about $497, and then high ticket is usually $997 to about $5,000. So this is a great example of an offer for that ideal customer who's really trying to read faster. And notice how has a VSL, video sales letter. On your homepage, on your website, you have to have video at the very top to communicate your value, your proposition, who you are, what your product or service is, testimonials, because most of the time your customers are not going to scroll down to the rest of your website. All that, everything below, as soon as you load that web page, is meaningless. 90% of your sales is going to be done at what's called the top of the fold. When a user opens your landing page, the first thing that they see, 90% of the sales are going to be done at the very top. So you need a video sales letter there to communicate the value, what they're going to get. And the reason why is because video is the number one consumed piece of content. Your customer or lead does not have time to read anything more than as soon as you start scrolling, everything below that is meaningless. They're never going to read that. So most of your sales need to be changed here. Step number 2, and my favorite, build a funnel and not a website. If you have Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, any of those types of websites, even WordPress, for example, you are generating less than 50% of what you could be making because your website, it's like walking into the lobby of your business. Your website has 5 different links at the top, pages and pages of text for them to read. They walk in and they're now confused. They have many different options of different doors. And if they don't find what they need in 5 seconds, they are gone. So if you look at your website analytics, how many people are visitors and how many people turn into sales, you'll notice that your website has a very low conversion of turning visitors into sales. So that's why you need a funnel. This is an example of a funnel. There is only one option, one button on this page for the user to do, which is to try it now for risk free, to click that button and to purchase. That's the only option. There's no about me. There's no look at our prices and services. There's no check out our social media. There's no many other buttons on here to distract the user. There's only one option, one offer, and one affordable price point for them to make a decision in less than 5 seconds. This is an example of a 24/7 sales funnel that you need to build. This will print money even while you're sleeping, and so that you can operate a business, generate sales, nurture those leads, and turn those leads into sales automatically. For example, if you have just a website with a contact form page and that's it, and you're hoping to generate more business, forget it. You'll never be able to grow your business with just a web page and a form. You need a sales funnel that brings in new people with a lead magnet, continuously follows up with them with email automation, gives them something of value, a masterclass, a webinar, a PDF, something of value, and then automatically sends them to a sales page and continuously reminds them through the email follow-up, and then a low to mid-ticket offer with an offer. So good they would be foolish to say no to. So you could generate sales 24/7 and scale your business from there. This is a 24/7 sales funnel that you need to have in your business. Step number 3, and the most important, running profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. You'll notice within the last few years that posting content on any social media platform is not generating sales. You'll also notice that's a giant waste of time. That's why you need paid ads, and you're running paid ads to a lead magnet. You're not just trying to send them to, hey, buy now. You can't do that. You'll barely get it. You'll barely generate sales. It's like a 1% conversion, honestly. You need to buy quality traffic. Let the algorithms on Facebook and Instagram, when you run ads, target the ideal client, get your offer. This is why you need an irresistible offer, not just, hey, we're a business, we're open, and here's our prices, come on in. That's not an offer. You need an offer so good that they would be like, man, I really got to jump on that. That's such a good deal. That's the feeling that you want. And then you want that offer to be distributed through Facebook or Instagram ad campaigns automatically and at scale. And this runs 24/7. So that automatically brings people in, nurtures them, and closes sales so that you're generating sales daily and growing your business. If you have a paid ad campaign or organic traffic going to your website and all you have is just a buy now page on your website, you'll notice that you're barely generating any sales. Barely any people are probably even signing up. 80% of the sales are done in the follow-up. You need minimally an email automation, or even better would be an SMS automation, but an email sequence that follows up with them over the next 3 to 6 months, because then you'll be able to recoup 80% of additional sales in the follow-up. Did you know that it takes between the 5th and 12th contact of reaching out to that customer to remind them of that offer that you could generate an additional 80% in the sales? Most people, they just follow up once and they're like, oh, the leads are bad, or oh, people signed up, but they weren't interested and you just dropped the ball. You are leaving a lot of money on the table. That's why you need a consistent email follow-up system so that you could follow up within the next 3 to 6 months, automatically, continuously adding value. That's why you need an automated system to follow up with them over the next 3 to 6 months so that it's continuously adding value and reminding them of that irresistible offer. So let's review the 3 steps to double your leads and sales. Every business needs this. You need an irresistible offer, not your just standard, here's our services and here's our price point, and this is what we charge anyone who comes in the door and wants our services. No, that is not an irresistible offer. It's an offer that has so much value for such a great price that the customer will look at that and be like, man, that is such a good deal. I definitely got it. What do I need to sign up? How do I get that? I need that to solve my pain point or to get that transformation. Number 2, and the most important, is you need an automated funnel, one for your lead magnet and one for your sales. This is going to nurture and follow up with people to continuously add value and then automatically close sales so that you're not trying to follow up and pick up the phone and trying to close people every single day and feeling awkward about it when they say no. No, this happens automatically when you build a proper funnel. And the last one, and the most important, is running paid ads with an irresistible offer to a lead magnet. Then from there, you'll nurture and then close with an irresistible offer for the deal, for example. So you need to be running paid ads if you want to generate consistent sales 24/7 for your business. And let's not forget the follow up system so that you can recoup an additional 80% of sales within the next 3 to 6 months completely on autopilot. When you implement these three simple steps, your revenue is going to increase consistently. Your ads are going to start generating profitable returns. You'll post less content and generate more sales, and you won't have to rely on referrals. You have a steady stream of new leads and sales coming in every single day to grow your business consistently. It's building a system that runs without you. Now you're getting lots of questions. Is my website okay? What should my funnel look like? What ads should I run? What is the best irresistible offer for my business? I want to solve all of those problems for you in the Marketing Accelerator program. It's a course plus weekly live training sessions, so you get personalized attention and a supportive community of entrepreneurs. You'll have everything you need to give you the training so that you can build irresistible offers, create funnels that run 24/7, and run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads to bring in leads consistently and generate additional sales. Recently, we had a small business go through this program. We turned their website into a funnel, helped them run profitable Facebook ads, and then they went from 8 leads a month to 300 leads a month. This system is very powerful. Once it's dialed in and created for your business, then it just starts generating leads and sales on autopilot. When a new business owner becomes a member in our program, it takes less than 4 weeks for them to start generating sales on average. And then they're generating anywhere from 5 to 10 or more additional sales every month on autopilot. So imagine what additional 10 sales could do for your business. It would change everything. And now the most important question, you're probably asking, is this probably another $2,000 marketing program? No, this is a super affordable program. It's only going to cost you $149 a month as the investment. Would you invest $149 a month to generate an additional 10 sales a month for your business continuously forever? Once you have the system set up, you could cancel anytime. But we have members that have been part of our program for over 6 months. They continuously improve their offers, they improve their marketing funnels, they continuously generate more sales on autopilot, and they get a huge, like, there's a secret productivity course that you'll get to unlock. But they love being a part of a community of business owners that all we care about is supporting each other, helping each other grow the business that we've always dreamed of. Lastly, I want to end with this is a limited time offer. Every 50 new members that we get, we increase the price because we want to continuously make sure we're giving each member the time and attention they need to help refine their offer, funnel, and ads so they continuously every month generate new leads and continuously generate more sales. I'm Jonathan Acuna, and I'll be your marketing coach to help you build the business that you've always dreamed of so that you can make the impact in the world that you've always wanted. So click the link below and join the Marketing Accelerator. We have weekly live training so that you could jump on the call, and I would love to show you all the marketing tricks and hacks so that you could have more free time to spend on what matters most to you. I'll see you in the course.